Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome back to Expedition Odyssey. We are thrilled to have you with us once again. Today, we're embarking on a mesmerizing adventure to the Azores, Portugal's hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean. Get ready for an extraordinary expedition as we uncover the enchanting towns, majestic waterfalls, breathtaking landscapes, vibrant biodiversity, and fascinating marine life that make the Azores a true Atlantean wonder. But first, a huge shout out to all our fellow travelers who joined us on our Iceland adventure. Now, let's dive into the wonders of Portugal's Atlantean gem. The Azores consist of 9 volcanic islands, each with its own unique character and allure. We begin our journey on Sao Miguel, the largest and arguably the most vibrant of the archipelago. Here, the capital city of Ponta Delgada beckons with its cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and a lively waterfront. Venture a bit further, and you'll encounter Sete Cidades, a twin lake wonder surrounded by lush greenery. The distinct blue and green hues of the lakes create a surreal and captivating landscape that's perfect for hiking or simply soaking in the natural beauty. Next on our Azorean adventure is Terceira, known as the Island of Jesus Christ, as it was settled by Portuguese navigators. Known for its rich history and vibrant festivals, Angra do Heroísmo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts colorful streets adorned with charming houses, all against the backdrop of Monte Brasil. Take a seat on one of the benches at the Duque da Terceira garden, unwind, and immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of Terceira Island. The biggest highlight of a visit to Terceira is the Algar do Carvão, a lava tube in the middle of the island. With a vertical drop of 50 meters from the mouth of the cavern to its floor, and a further 50-meter descent to the rainwater-fed lagoon that marks its deepest point, it's a rare opportunity to walk inside an extinct volcano, a must-see for most visitors. Faial beckons with its iconic caldera, a colossal crater that promises jaw-dropping views. This volcanic crater is 400 meters deep, and you can actually walk to the mouth of the caldera. Horta, the main town, is a sailor's haven, adorned with painted murals on its marina walls, telling tales of seafaring adventurers who've crossed these Atlantic waters. Whale and dolphin watching is a classic activity in the Azores. As we explore further, the westernmost point of Europe unveils itself in the form of Capeliños, a volcano that erupted in 1958 on the island's western side. This section of Faial was born merely 60 years ago, shaped by the dramatic forces of nature during that powerful eruption. The landscape, still evolving, bears witness to the ever-changing face of this remarkable island. Our journey through the Azores continues. And next on our adventure is the majestic Pico, island named after its imposing volcano. The landscape features an eponymous volcano, Ponta do Pico, which is the highest mountain in Portugal and the Azores. Here you'll find vineyards nestled at the base of Pico Mountain, producing the famous Verdelho wine. For those seeking a challenge, ascend to the summit for a panoramic view that stretches as far as the eye can see. And don't forget, as we've highlighted earlier, the waters around Pico are a haven for both whale and dolphin enthusiasts. The Azores are a true testament to Mother Nature's creativity. From the volcanic craters of Sete Cidades to the rolling hills of Terceira, the landscapes here are as diverse as they are stunning. Join us as we traverse through lush greenery, mystical forests, and lunar-like landscapes, discovering the incredible biodiversity that calls the Azores home. These islands are a haven for flora and fauna, making it a nature lover's dream destination. Keep your eyes peeled for unique species that thrive in this remarkable ecosystem. And there you have it, fellow explorers, our thrilling odyssey through the Azores, Portugal's Atlantean gem. From the enchanting towns to the cascading waterfalls, diverse landscapes and vibrant marine life, the Azores have proven to be an unparalleled treasure trove of natural wonders. I trust this journey has ignited your wanderlust and left you yearning to add the Azores to your travel bucket list. If you've found yourself captivated by the beauty of these islands, and let's be honest, who wouldn't be? We encourage you to join our Expedition Odyssey community by hitting that subscribe button below. Don't miss out on our future adventures to the world's most incredible destinations. And of course, to stay in the loop and be the first to know when we drop a new video, be sure to ring that notification bell as well. As our journey through the Azores gracefully concludes, remember, our voyage is only just beginning. Join us as we set sail for more wonders, more discoveries, and more breathtaking destinations. Until next time, fellow explorers.